Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is, yes, responding to App Store and Google Play Store apps, whatever, reviews for H&R Block. Now, we are going into tax season, so everyone is going to be doing their taxes, and of course, you can do them online on a computer yourself, but a lot of people don't have computers. They're always on their smartphone or their tablets. So all these tax companies have apps now. Yep, there's an app for that. And I've even seen where you can take pictures with your phone of your W-2 and it like uploads it straight in to make doing your taxes easy. So with all these people utilizing these apps, of course, they're going to be leaving reviews on the App Store. And so someone has to monitor that to keep the reputation and customer service of those reviews going. And so H&R Block is hiring for someone to do just that. Real quickly, though, before we dive in, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, finding the best work from home jobs, bringing them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you're subscribed if you never want to miss out. And if you know anybody who could benefit from these, please share with all your friends and family. So H&R Block, of course, is a big, well-known tax company. They have 7,100 reviews on Glassdoor, overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a lead customer service representative for their social media. Now, this is a seasonal position for tax time. They are looking for people to be able to work evening and weekend shifts. But get this, day to day, they are looking for somebody to monitor and address client concerns that arrive through the Google Play and iOS App Store reviews. You're going to monitor and review these reviews and see what people are saying and escalate any clients' issues up to internal teams when necessary. You're also going to actively seek out and share information on external best-in-class social media customer service practices, providing insights to the leadership and marketing teams into trends that you see or with the client issues, and you'll participate in one-on-one coaching sessions that focus on performance. So you're going to be monitoring and alerting leadership for any brand risk post. So any social media post or app store reviews that put the reputation and brand of H&R Block at risk. They don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, and they want somebody who has 3 to 5 years of some kind of call center or help desk type experience. Someone who has experience using Microsoft Office or Microsoft operating system, network connectivity, software applications, things like that, like you know how to navigate around technology and computers. And of course, somebody who can demonstrate great interpersonal skills. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $24.04 an hour all the way up to $36.06 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.